Congratulations! You've made the switch to Zenyum Sonic. Ready to start but not sure how to use your new toothbrush properly? We've got you covered. Here are 3 quick tips to switch on and smile more. Tip number 1. Just a little toothpaste. Most people think that more toothpaste means cleaner teeth. But with your new Sonic toothbrush, all you need is a pea-sized amount just like this. Tip number 2. Switch on in your mouth. Zenyum Sonic is powered by over 30,000 good vibrations per minute. What happens when you vibrate toothpaste at sonic speeds outside your mouth? Your toothpaste flies everywhere! To avoid this, place the brush head in your mouth and press the plus button to switch it on. Pressing on the same button again lets you switch between our 3 brushing modes: clean, gentle, white.
Tip number 3. Just glide, don't brush.
So if you're used to scrubbing your teeth like a maniac every morning, the key is to relax and let Zenyum Sonic do the hard work for you. Starting at a 45-degree angle, place your brush where your teeth meets your gum. Next, glide the brush over your teeth. Feel the bristles massaging your teeth and gums. Wait for the beep, then move on to another section of your mouth. There you have it. Zenyum Sonic's vibrations and micro pressure bubbles have done all the hard work for you. So switch on and smile more.